Hi, everyone, and welcome to Trauma, Training and Transformation, exploring how movement heals the mind. I'm James Alder, a military veteran, chartered psychologist, and coach. This podcast is built around one idea: movement can heal the mind. It can turn trauma into resilience and pain into personal growth. Living with PTSD made that link between body and mind impossible to ignore. Training was the one thing that kept me going. Physical exercise, training, running, weightlifting, CrossFit, and even slow, mindful breathing helped quiet the noise in my head and bring back some order to the chaos. That's what this podcast is about: exploring how moving the body in different forms of exercise or activity can help change the mind. Each week, starting on the 20th of October, you'll hear conversations with military veterans, psychologists, mental health experts, coaches, and athletes who've used movement to recover, rebuild, and grow. We'll look at the research, the psychology, and the lived experiences that show why exercise, sport, routine, and structure really matter. If you're living with PTSD, managing stress, or just looking for ways to strengthen your own mental health, you'll find something here for you. We'll talk about anxiety, loss, identity, resilience, but also about hope, discipline, and the power of starting again. As a chartered psychologist and coach, I bring practical, evidence-based ways to help people understand how movement can heal the mind. As a veteran, I bring honesty, experience, and a lived understanding of what recovery really means. Through trauma, training, and transformation, I want to bring those worlds together so that we can talk about what can actually help people. Subscribe on Spotify, Apple Podcasts, or wherever you listen to your podcasts. And for episode updates, extra resources, and community discussion, join our Substack newsletter at Trauma, Training, Transformation. And again, follow at Trauma, Training and Transformation on Instagram and YouTube and on TikTok for more stories, tips, and inspiration. I'm James Alder, and this is Trauma, Training and Transformation, exploring how movement heals the mind. And remember, season 1 drops on the 20th of October, because healing happens when we move.